So Balai means house.
And here we are today, ready to eat.
Right, so we have ordered Cansi. There's the menu.
And today we are eating Cansi, which is this pork meat, and we are having fried chili oysters.
Sizzling oysters.
Just remember to ask to make it like
So as with most Filipino dishes, we have rice to go with it to soak up all of that nice gravy. Yum.
their meat are so tender.
It is really nice meat.
Balai is an open-air eatery and it's situated in a residential area.
That meat is soft. Nice. Good soft meat.
Cansi steak.
Cansi steak. Cansi's the meat.
You can have also Cansi soup.
Cansi stew. In there. That is the bone marrow. Wow, loads of flavour. The rice and the gravy with that soft meat. Fried garlic on top. And then this is all the bone marrow from inside the bones. Very, very creamy.
Yeah. There's a bone marrow inside.
Bone marrow. Apparently very high in cholesterol and not very good for you. I thought it was meant to be great for you. Oh, there you go. We live and learn. Oysters. And this kind of meat is this? Just pork belly.
Yeah.
Sizzling oysters.
Excuse me. I'll have it super dry. Excuse me.
Alright, these are the oysters. I can't see if it's too bright. Tasty. That's about the only way I like oyster. The only place we eat oysters is here.
Yes,
Balai. Right. We have sizzling. It's going to be hot, this. Yeah, hot.
You can
Like a what? Put it out.
in your
They're really good. Got a lot of chili in them. Very spicy. Spicy. But I never eat oysters because I can't stand swallowing raw. But these cooked ones, is a bit of a game changer. They're very tasty. Very nice. And a lot smaller because they're all shrunk up. Thank you. So that meal came to
60.
660.
668.
668 pesos for that. So there you go. $12. What do you get for $12?
Anything for you.
No, you get 2 plates in Balai for $12. Okay, so that was Balai. Very, very nice food. Thank you. Bye. Right. Little food review from me and May there. Hey, push good. Right, there's a little pit stop on our eating extravaganza is. What's this place called? Avocadoria.
Yours is avocado shake.
So this is avocado shake with mango topping. And May's got avocado.
Avocado lover.
What is this?
Avocado lover.
Avocado lover. Wow. This is the Avo shake. Why is it an Avo lover?
It has everything in it. Pistachio, avocado slices, pearl.
Nice, very cold avocado-y with their little pill balls in it. Yummy. Very good. And why eat avocado? Well, nice little plaque on the wall shows you all the good things about eating avo. It was lovely. Okay, I'm going to show you a few little places, get some sweet snacky treat things and then see what they taste like. This place is called, I think it's called Bong Bongs, which is a famous, I think it's quite a well-known famous food treat place where you get all the local delicacies. And then I popped into Robinson's. This is in Robinson's Mall, and looking at what is on offer here. And then the last thing I did was still in Robinson's Mall, was popped over and looked at getting an egg tart. And then I'm going to take them back, give them a test, see what I think of them. So many treats here. I just picked a few. Okay, hope you enjoy the actual food. Hi. Can I get a mini egg pie? One? This one? This is the cassava pandan. So that's cassava pandan. Just give it a bit of a squidge. Wow, it looks very ricey, glutinous and sticky. This one is called sapin sapin. So that looks like a bit of ube underneath. I'm not sure what the other ones are. Again, looks very dense and very sticky. So probably a lot of rice in there. And then the last one I had the other day, this is bread pudding. So they gave me this bag of stuff with one of them. And I don't remember which one it was, but it's kind of nice. It is nice. And then the last thing we're going to have is an egg, mini egg tart. That looks nice and solid. Okay, so here we go. Let's try some of these things. I'm going to try the egg tart first of all. It's one of my childhood favourites, was egg tart. It's actually really good. It is just a big, massive egg tart. You get huge ones of these as well. This one apparently is a mini, and it is massive. It's nice. It's really eggy. I don't want to eat the pastry on the outside, but the actual tart itself has got nice egg custard flavour, nice texture to it. That egg tart is really good. Next one is sapin sapin. Right, never tried this before, but I'm assuming this bit here is ube. I'm going to try a little bit of this powdery stuff on there. This is nice actually. The top bit has a very coconutty flavour. It's very chewy. I think being in the fridge overnight made it even more chewy. But Yeah, that is really nice. Coconut top, ube on the bottom. I like that a lot. And this powder stuff here, if you can tell me what that is, that'd be great. But right, this is cassava pandan. Wow, whatever that is on the bottom is like super hard. Right. For the sapping so far. Oh, I can just got the hint of cassava now. That's like a like a pastry but underneath. I don't know whether it's normally softer, but this bit, again, because of refrigeration, is hard. Bit of the powder. Yeah, that powder stuff's nice. It gives it a real, a lot of sugar in there, but there's some other flavours as well that I can't quite pinpoint. And then last one is the bread pudding. Again, you can see all of these are pretty solid and pretty dense. I'm assuming this is like bread pudding we get at home and made with like stale bread. It definitely tastes bready. That's really nice. Out of all of them, I think, I mean, this one, egg tart, I think that's just a classic, like a Portuguese tart. Really nice, but this one was kind of unexpected. Sapping, with the different layers and the coconutty top. So this one I quite like. Well, I like all of them, but so yeah. If I had to choose, egg tart. Okay guys, thanks for watching today's video. It's little food reviews from different places around Bacolod. I know I said I wasn't going to do food reviews, but there you go. I do like eating food, and it is some nice places to go and eat. So for me, it's still a bit of an adventure, just finding nice places to eat and enjoying whatever there is on offer to eat. So if you've got any ideas, and especially seafood places, I did see a video with a very famous seafood place. I'll try and look the name up and I might try and go there whilst I'm here. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care for now. Bye.